Hello car friends, every recommendation in this video has been confirmed by professionals in the shop, so relax, your problem can be solved. When your Tesla shows the message, "Pull over safely, vehicle shutting down," the first thing you think is, "Oh no, what happened now?" Don't worry, this doesn't mean the car broke down all of a sudden. It simply means the system detected it can't maintain enough energy to keep driving safely, so it's asking you to pull over in a safe place before it shuts down. The most common cause reported by mechanics in this shop is a failing or very low 12-volt battery. That small battery powers the car's essential systems, and if it can't keep them running, the car goes into precaution mode to protect itself. That's why many owners notice that just before the message appears, the car may lose power, shake slightly, or display other minor warnings. Another common reason, based on real experiences, is a problem with the motor propulsion systems or inverters. In some cases, Teslas showed this message when the front or rear motor unit had electrical issues. Some owners reported that the car stopped accelerating properly or couldn't maintain movement until stopping. So even if it seems extreme, Tesla is protecting its electric heart. Some mechanics have noticed that this alert can appear after software updates, sometimes due to intermittent errors or bugs. Interestingly, in these cases, a soft reset or hard reset may make the message disappear temporarily. However, if the fault is real, these restarts only provide momentary relief. An important point, the car doesn't always shut down immediately. Some drivers were able to move the car a few hundred meters to a safe spot, but Tesla recommends not taking any risks and stopping immediately. Ignoring this message could leave you stranded on the road, and that would be a serious problem.